Here's a new 2026 Chevrolet Equinox. Stylish, energized, and ready for takeoff, this is a multitasker that doesn't compromise. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: streaming video feed rearview mirror, Wi-Fi hotspot, heated and ventilated bucket seats, integrated navigation system with voice activation, continuously variable automatic transmission, dual zone climate control, memory exterior door mirror settings, streaming audio, hands-free liftgate, gas pressurized shocks, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Chevy, 100 years of icons. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Speaking Deacon.
Are you speaking Deacon? Visit Deacon Jones Chevrolet Buick GMC Cadillac today. Give us a call at 800-952-9354.